At Teknacorp, we specialize in the supply of lateral tees. These piping connections are used when a welded branch is required at a special angle, typically 45 grade or 30 grade, as opposed to straight tees, which form a 90 grade angle and are usually manufactured die-hot forming or extrusion. Lateral tees are produced by cutting and welding sections of existing pipe, allowing a branch to be created from a main pipeline. Depending on the design and applicable code, the branch may or may not require reinforcement pad, available in sizes from 2 inches to 72 inches. We use raw material and carbon steel grades, ASTM A106, ASTM A53, and API-5L, grades B, X42 through X70, as well as stainless steels per ASTM A312 and low temperatures ASTM A333 and special alloys such as ASTM A333 and A335. We can also manufacture cylinders from rolled and welded plate in compliance with ASME BPV Section IX. Our products are designed in accordance with ASME standards B31.1, B31.3, B31.4, and B31.8. Final products are certified to applicable specifications ASTM A234, A420, A403, A860, MSSSP 75, and ASME B16.9. For underground systems, we offer external FBE coating in compliance with CSAZ 245.20, as well as a variety of other coatings such as epoxy, alkyd, and polyurethane. With over 25 years of experience, we provide competitive lead times, 6 to 8 weeks, and a strong track record in quality, safety, and service building, lasting relationships with our clients. At Teknacorp, precision and safety are essential. We deliver customized solutions, driven by innovation and a commitment to excellence. Connecting your project with quality,